guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Beth and I typically do affordable home decor, DIYs, and room transformations. If you don't already follow me for Instagram, go ahead and do so. I do post a little bit of behind the scenes there and a little bit more of my personal life as well. So if you're interested or curious, go ahead and follow me. I will leave the link down below, and make sure to subscribe if you haven't already, and make sure to give me a thumbs up if you enjoy this video. So I know that fall is basically right around the corner. I think a few days. I think it's actually tomorrow. I actually started decorating a little early. Well, not really. I only added like 2 things to my home that were a little bit like fall inspired or fall florals. And I want to add more. I actually completely forgot that I had some things in my garage, and I actually used them last year, and they're my favorite, honestly. I love the color, I love the way that they look, but I still thought that I should add a few more pieces just because I wanted to decorate a little bit more. Since my kitchen is finished, it's 99% finished really, and I have more places to decorate, so I'm actually really excited for that. I actually stopped by Joann's because I saw that they were having a 50% off sale in their fall florals, so I decided, like, if I want to buy things, now is the time, because 50% is actually the best you're gonna get. 60, 70 if you wait too long, but if you wait that long until they have that sale, you might not have any left, so, or like, you might not get the best pick. And I did find a few pieces that were really nice. And you guys, I know that everyone has different tastes, different styles, and it's completely understandable. You do you. But if you know me, you know that I like the neutrals, so I don't really go for the orangey stuff. I try to stick between the neutral color palette. It is just the way that I am. As long as you're happy with what you like, that's all that matters, right? But anyways, let me show you what I got. So these I already had from last year. I got them at Hobby Lobby, and these two, they are dried florals, so that means that sometimes some dried florals are really messy. So I actually got 2 packs of these, so they're usually like half of this, you know, and so I bought 2, and it's just to make it a little bit fuller. They're also really hard to arrange, so if you have any tips for these, let me know. These are really messy. These leave a lot of like these little I don't know if you can see them on camera kind of falling, but they're so pretty, so it makes up for it. And then these I bought from Joann's. I thought I got more, but I didn't. So I got 2 of these, which I feel like I should have gotten 2 more because they would have looked a lot fuller, you know, but they still look really pretty. I usually don't go for like these kind of stems, but they're so pretty, like the color. I love the neutral. Like, look at how good it looks against the white. By the way, I am painting again. I found this really pretty off-white paint, and I wanted to use it in our house because I had used a semi-gloss in our entire house, and our walls are made out of something different other than sheetrock. They're like, I don't remember the name, so I'll put it up on the screen, and you can see when the walls are semi gloss, you can see a lot of the imperfections all over the walls, and I really don't like that. You don't want something that enhances all the unevenness of the walls. So I'm going for a matte now, and this is the color right here. I'm not done, honestly. I was just testing it out here first, and I really like it, so there's gonna be a video on that. I also picked up this one from Joann's, which I thought they were really pretty, and they are, but they're kind of giving me like Christmassy vibes, you know? So I don't know. I mean, I like them, so I'm gonna keep them, especially because I don't know where the receipt is, but I just don't know where I'm gonna put them yet, so that's something else. And I actually got these at Hobby Lobby because I thought they were really pretty. I like the brown. They kind of look a little reddish. It's like a reddish brown, but it's still very pretty and very neutral. You know, you guys, I'm only going for neutrals here. So I picked up 2 of these, and it does make it really full. Look at that. That's really pretty. Do I know where to put them? No, I don't know, because I don't have that many bases like I thought I did. So I do know that I want to put something in the kitchen, something in the dining, something in the living room, and then something in my entryway table. So that's what, like 4 bases, which I don't know if I have that many. So we'll figure it out. I used to think that decorating for fall meant that you had to decorate with pumpkins and plaid and orange, browns, and reds, and all these pumpkin print pillows and stuff like that. And then I learned that you can also make your home feel or have that fall vibe using florals. And in my opinion, I think that it makes a home look even more elegantly that way. And also, it doesn't have to cost you a fortune to decorate. You don't have to fill up your home with pumpkins and buy new things like that, because I know that they can be kind of costly. And I found that using florals is actually a lot more affordable. I feel like this one is too short for this. I don't know. I feel like it needs to be extravagant, right? So this chair is typically it's not my typical style. This is very bohemian, and I only have it here because, if you didn't know, I actually started a event styling business, and this is something that I use or that I rent out in my business. So I would actually have it in the garage if it were up to me, but right now we need to really organize the garage. I decided to leave it here just so that it doesn't get damaged, and because it's probably the best place for it to be right now. So I decided to add a pillow to make it a little bit more, or feel like it's actually part of the room, even though it's not for here. And I added a side table to make it, like I said, feel like it's actually intentional, like I actually made or chose to have this here.